Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Aseptic Group's Managing Director, Leandre Bertagnolio. Hopefully I've got that correct. And Leandre, good morning, first of all. How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you, Rizwan?
I'm very, very well. Although it's very gloomy outside my window today in Surrey, but hopefully the day's brightened up as I'm talking to you, Leon. So my first question to you, though, is what do you want to talk about today?
Well, about cell and gene therapies, that will be our topic today because we see this market as a booming market right now in Europe and overall in the world. It's a market with increasing demand forecasted for the next few years. Europe is the second largest country in the world after the US, and we see really a market shift from R&D to production that presents great manufacturing challenges. Just to name a few, like contamination risk, low volumes, complexity of manufacturing, and also low efficiency production rate, I would say.
All right. Well, before we start talking about that in more depth, then, for those not familiar with Aseptic Group, would you mind giving me a quick overview of the business and what you actually do?
Yeah, sure. So we've been in the business of single-use solutions, assemblies, and components. So we are a provider of those elements to the biopharma industry. We've been in the business since 1996. So we were early promoters of those technologies to the biopharma. We are located in Lyon, in France, and we have a 2,000 square meter warehouse and also 100 square meter ISO 7 clean room where we operate assemblies from there. And we are also, and we are very proud of that, ISO 13485 certified.
All right, fantastic. Now, you mentioned obviously single-use technology is your area of speciality. So, for those who are not really familiar with it, how and where are single-use technologies used within cell and gene therapies?
Well, it's I would give a simple answer everywhere from downstream to upstream. Those technology are very adaptable to the cell and gene therapies between medtech to GMP needs. Really, it fits very well in all the processes of cell and gene therapies right now. But I want to go a little bit more into that later, I would say.
All right. Well, look, let's talk about it a bit more. So what are the benefits of single-use technology within cell and gene therapies?
So really, cell and gene therapy is one of the challenges, the speed to the market. So
Right.
single-use technology reduces the speed to the market. It reduces the risk of cross-contamination because it's consumable versus stainless steel, for example. You have less investment. You can build a small factory rather than a big stainless steel factory due to the low volumes with single-use technology. From a sustainability, which is a big concern in our world right now, with single-use technology adapted to the cell and gene therapy, you build a more sustainable manufacturing environment, I would say. And it's and also the main element is it's very adapted to small volumes. For example, cell and gene therapies, we are not speaking about huge volume. We are speaking about patient-driven manufacturing processes, I would say, and this is very adapted to that.
Right. Okay. So that's interesting. But obviously, if I'm a customer listening to this, I go, great. But I know there's a lot of companies out there who offer single-use technology. So what makes Aseptic Group unique and different and makes you an ideal partner within this space?
Yeah, so Aseptic is the one partner stop shop, I would say. So we are very agnostic in all the solutions we provide. We are working with many famous manufacturers of single-use technologies right now. So we can plug different components from different brands, so which is a big advantage for our customers right now. We are a medium-sized company, so versus the big guys in this market, we offer
Right.
flexibility and agility to the market and very adapted to this, would say, cell and gene therapies. We have also front-end management of stock, which is a big thing for our customers. We are able to manage their stock on their behalf. So that's an important thing. And beyond all that, you know, our market with one is very regulatory. So we can manage all the documentation, all the regulatory affairs, and we are very good in doing that, I would say.
Right. Okay. Well, that's great. Thank you for sharing that. Now, obviously, if people want to learn more about single-use technologies within cell and gene therapy, where can they get more information?
Well, we have a webinar coming up soon. So on the 12th of December, we are going to have a webinar that focuses on the benefits of single-use solution and how they can identify the workflow process and help to improve process integrity. So we have experts such as Tanya Shilima, who is an independent consultant, and cell and gene application expert from our partners such as Integris that are well known, Vante also, and CPC, to name just a few, I would say.
Great. Well, there you go, viewers. If you'd like to learn more about the use of cell and use technologies within cell and gene therapy, then check out that webinar. The link actually to the webinar is above this video, so you can register for that. It's free, of course. And if you'd like to learn more about Aseptic Group, then the link to them is actually above this video as well, so you can learn more about that. And if you've got any questions based on what Leandre has said in this particular interview, feel free to put them in the comments below, or you can contact him directly on LinkedIn, I'm sure. So, Leandre, thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me today. I hope
Thank you, everyone.
have a great end to the year, because I know it's always a busy time of the year, November, December, as people try and get the final figures in before the year ends. And also have a great webinar on December the 12th. So, Neil, thank you very much for your time, viewers. Thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.